Imagine a garden that feeds you every day without your help. 7 trees and you'll forget the way to the supermarket. Today I will show you the trees that work for you all year round. The first tree is a mango. It doesn't require watering once it's established. Choose dwarf mango varieties for a small space. One tree produces up to 200 fruits per season. Second is avocado. Lula or Russell varieties are suitable for zones 9 to 10. Graft 2 varieties onto one tree and the harvest will last for months. Guacamole all year round is a reality. The third tree is lemon or lime, the most unpretentious. It blooms and bears fruit at the same time, decorative and tasty. Pruning once a year keeps the tree compact.
The fourth is a banana. It's not a tree, but it produces a harvest in 9 months. The cultivar dwarf Cavendish is ideal for containers. One plant produces 30 to 50 kilograms of bananas. Fifth, dragon fruit. It blooms at night and bears fruit in summer. The flowers last only one night and must be pollinated by hand. 1 minute of work and dozens of fruits are guaranteed. The sixth tree is the guava. It grows quickly and bears fruit in the second year. Guava jam, juice, and a vitamin boost for the whole winter. The seventh tree is the sapodilla, the evergreen queen of the tropics. It tastes like caramel pudding. Kids love it. All 7 trees coexist on 600 square meters. The hole is wider than it is deeper. The roots love space. Before planting, soak the roots in a seaweed solution. Mulch retains moisture and suppresses weeds. First month, watering twice a week. The garter will protect from the wind during hurricane season. In 3 years, these 7 trees will feed the whole family. Once a season, compost and ash to sweeten the fruits. Avocados need pollinators. Plant flowers nearby. Neem oil once a month and no chemicals. Inspect the leaves every 3 days. Pests will not pass through. Leave one baby after fruiting. A new cycle is ready. Trim the female flower and the cluster will become larger. Sprinkling with sea salt increases the sugar content. Guava seeds are edible. Eat them with the pulp. Pick mangoes slightly unripe. They will ripen on the windowsill. 7 trees are more than just food. They are confidence in the future. Don't store mangoes in the refrigerator. They lose their aroma. Avocado roots don't like neighbors. Don't plant flowers under the crown. The lemon can hang on the branch for 6 months. Don't rush to take it down.
1 tree covers a family's need for vitamin C for a year. Leave fallen leaves as mulch, nitrogen for trees. Children love to pick bananas themselves. Get them involved. Watering from above imitates a tropical downpour. Patio loves this. A ripe dragon fruit is soft like a ripe kiwi. Thin out the fruits. The rest will grow to the size of an apple. Guava is a record holder for pectin. The jam will thicken without gelatin. Sapodilla grows slowly, but lives for more than 100 years. Whitewashing tree trunks protects against sunburn and fungus. Pheromone traps capture pests before they can ruin crops. A garden isn't just work. It's a place for the whole family to relax. Freeze your harvest for a chemical-free winter smoothie. Homemade preparations are the best gift for neighbors. A morning walk around the garden heals the soul better than any meditation. The first 2 years the trees grow in pots. Choose the best ones. Plant these 7 trees and your family will be well fed, healthy and happy. Sanitary pruning after fruiting is the key to a healthy tree. Once every 2 years, I feed the avocado with zinc and manganese. The avocado thanks me with a harvest. When the top bananas start to turn yellow, it's time to cut off the entire bunch. Ripen bananas in the shade, not in the sun, the flesh will be tender. Grafting a varietal mango onto a seedling accelerates fruiting 3 times. Drip irrigation saves water and does not cause fungus on the leaves. Healthy mulch equals healthy worms equals healthy trees. Sapodilla is ready when the skin becomes rough, like a grater. The most delicious fruit is the one you pick together with your children. Organics from the kitchen are free fertilizer for dragon fruit. The aerial roots of the pitaya cling to the support, direct them upwards. If you don't pollinate at night, there will be no fruit. Don't miss flowering. Overripe mango is ideal for juices and desserts. This fertilizer, applied every 3 months, replaces all chemicals. Inspect the underside of the leaves. Pests are hiding there. Spot treatment is more effective than general spraying. Birds are your best helpers in the fight against caterpillars. A garden that feeds a family begins with a love of the land.